This video will introduce the machines used to produce pita and roti. That's the way to expand your restaurant marketability. And it will save you time and money in the process. It's the pita oven you need now. The roti and pita oven has many sizes. You can select the oven diameter according to your pita size or capacity. A 100 centimeters oven can bake 400 pieces per hour. There's a large storage cabinet underneath. This machine power source has gas type and electric type made of commercial grade stainless steel. Easy to operate, can adjust the rotary speed and rotation direction. With infrared burners heat from the top while a steady jet burner heats on the bottom of the plate, resulting in puffy golden brown pita bread, all around evenly baked through the use of 4 top burner and bottom burner. Our NM pita oven saves you both time and money while expanding your restaurant marketability with the use of pita oven. Start making fresh baked bread with this cost-efficient way. Pita Bread Oven offers freshly baked bread on your premises and has a proven track record in the restaurant industry. Use it to make pita bread, Arabian flat bread, chapati, naan bread, roti, tandoori bread, and Mexican tortillas. You can even make pies and pizza as well.
The next product is dough base forming machine.
The machine forms the pieces dough into the shape and size you want. Here you can make different size and shape by change different mold. Adjustable belt and rolling speed to meet different production capacity. Multi-rolling system ensure products uniform in size and thickness. With automatic conveying, forming and recycling, save your manual work. In addition, we have complete automatic production line. The formed dough out of from the forming machine, then enter into the baking oven. The oven has 2 layers. It mainly used to bake the bread to base, so that the bread can be baked evenly. The bread mainly driven by the chain conveyor. The oven inner height can be changed if the customer need. Production speed can be adjusted. Maintenance methods are convenient. Thickened stainless steel conveyor belt. High temperature resistance. Baking temperature is stable. Fill dough into the machine head, and the pita bread will get out of from the machine end, and all the process is automatic. The finished product color is beautiful. Feel free to contact us for quotations and details.